everybody? It's your boy Will Carter and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. Before we go any further, if you guys haven't already done so, make sure you are subscribing to my channel and also turning that bell notification icon button on so you get alerted each and every time I make an upload. And if you guys want to check me out off of YouTube, you can go over and follow me over on my Instagram page at I'm Will Carter for all things my life as Will Carter. It's spelled exactly how it's pronounced. And I'll link it in the description box down below for your easy, convenient access for all the lazy hoes out there who don't want to fucking type it, bitch. This video here today is extra special, extra special, simply just because I haven't done anything candle making related in a very long time. And believe it or not, Queens of Garden is so near and dear to my heart. It's my own business and I have not really done anything brand new for Queens of Garden in a long time other than just maintaining my current collection. So I'm so excited to be jumping back into doing something brand new. So what's new? The winter collection that I'm working on. Not sure if I'm gonna drop it in December or if I'm gonna do another January launch like I did at the beginning of this year where I released the winter 2022 collection. I don't know. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do things yet. If you're gonna be working on new candles, you have to work on brand new fragrances because I'm not gonna use the same fragrances that I used for the first winter collection, especially since I only launched with 3 fragrances last year for last winter, and I could use the same ones and just add to it, but I'm no, let's just do everything completely brand new. I typically get all of my fragrances from the Flaming Candle. I haven't yet felt super comfortable, well, not ready to get fragrances for any other locations just yet, because I've just been very happy with the Flaming Candle. So I decided to just start browsing their websites to see, what samples do I want to order so I can do some smell tests. While I was there on their website, I saw that they have a whole bunch of new winter fragrances, and it was a sample pack called the Winter Wanderlust collection that they released. With this Winter Wanderlust sampler pack, they put together 6 of these new winter fragrances into one pack for you to order so you can just kind of sample, 6 at once instead of you having to order a bunch individually. So that's what I decided to do, which was just order this Winter Wanderlust sampler pack and see if I'm going to go with any of these fragrances for my upcoming collection. Since again, I've already have 3 selected for sure, and I need to add a few more, and maybe I'll pick some from this Winter Wanderlust sampler pack. I don't know, we'll see. So I bought a new MacBook Pro, and we're gonna be using her today to go through all the fragrances. We'll talk about the notes, and we'll talk about everything included in the Winter Wanderlust sampler collection. And we'll go by each fragrance one by one and go through the notes and give my opinions on each and every one of them. And of course, as per usual, the Flaming Candle decided to throw in a free sample, so I got 7 in total, but this is definitely not winter related. I can tell because the name is Nature Walk. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sample the free sample they gave me first, and then we're gonna come and do the Winter Wanderlust. Still have them, test strips. So let's just read Nature Walk first and see what it says. I just wanna go through the notes. I'm not gonna read the description, it's not that serious. So top note is bergamot. Middle note is juniper berry. What the fuck is a juniper berry? Middle note is rose and jasmine. Bottom is sandalwood. I love some sandalwood. Musk and patchouli. I talked about this on the last, the last 2 fragrant review videos I did. I don't be fucking with this musk. All right, let me just, cause you never know, I might smell this and be like, yes, bitch, musk. You know what? You see, that's what I'm saying. I'm not getting any musk, but I am getting a lot of sandalwood. I think that smells really, really good. So if I was gonna name this, I would definitely be okay, bitch, I would market this as a sandalwood candle. Because what are the other notes? Bergamot. I don't know what the fuck that is. It is very floral though, so I can see the rose and the jasmine. Nature Walk, out of 1 to 5, I definitely give it a good 4. This is actually pretty good. I actually really like this. Thanks for the free sample, Flaming Candle. Love you. Okay, so now let's move on to the Winter Wanderlust collection. Again, it comes with 6, and it's predetermined. It's not like 6 random ones. It's the same 6 each time. So we'll go through them one by one. Okay, so this one definitely is for sure going to be like something I'm gonna enjoy. Top note is red berries. See, I hate that vague shit because strawberries are red, even though they give you pink vibes, but it's really red. Orange peel, juicy blackberry. Oh, I love a blackberry. It's probably like my favorite berries of all berries. Middle note is garland greens, clove bud. And the base is balsam fir and vetiver. I don't like the middle or the base notes. You know what's interesting, right? Because I had already decided on a berry, winter berry-ish type of fragrance to use for the winter, but this is so good. I might replace this with, like, I might use this one instead. And you know what though, let me be real here. Because there is something leafy about it, which is definitely giving me the garland green and the clove. Maybe not the clove, because I don't know what the fuck that is, but like the vetiver and the garland green, I'm definitely like sensing something leafy. But I for sure am getting all those berries and blackberries and maybe even the peel. Okay, next up is Gingerbread Martini. I love a martini. I love anything alcohol, first of all. Top note is warm apple. So is it different if it's like a cold apple? Okay. Coconut milk. I'm not mad at that, by the way. Middle is gingerbread, caramel, clove, cinnamon. Bottom note is vanilla. I can see that. Rum, whipped cream, and cocoa bean. Yeah, it's definitely giving like a drink. First of all, this is not a full ounce. Why are they lying? Hold up, I'm looking like, bitch, this ain't an ounce. They could have filled that up. Like, girl, stop playing flaming candle. Stop fucking playing, bitch. You know what? This is actually really good. This could make it. I could see this making it to the collection. This is actually really good. Bitch, this is some shit that would be in Bath & Body Works. Don't fucking lie. Okay, next one in the Winter Wanderlust collection is the, I keep saying collection, it's a sampler pack. It's the Snowberry Icicles. Top notes is berries, vague, and iced champagne. Okay. Middle note is rosebuds, vanilla orchid, and the base is pink sugar crystals. I think of like that rock candy when I think of like sugar crystals. I think of rock candy when I think of that. If I use this in my collection, I would not put that in the notes. I will find something else to say because that don't make no damn sense to like that person who don't get notes. Because I don't even know what the fuck that means. It's really, really good. You know what this smell like to me? This smelled like Bubblicious. I remember back in the day, do they even still make this? The big fucking chunky ass square shaped gum. And that shit was so thick. Yeah, it's so good. And it's a tough tie, but I still think I like the Holly Berry better. Because I feel like the Holly Berry is more complex in its scent, where it kind of like almost tricks the nose into smelling multiple things, where it was like berry with the hint of leaf, you know, whereas this one just kind of gives me straight berries and I don't really smell anything else with this. Yo, Flaming Candle, y'all are killing it with these winter fragrances. I'm telling you, y'all are fucking it up. Okay, this one is Marshmallow Pine. So top note is fir needle, which makes sense for the pine. Orange peel. Middle note is buttercream, pine sap, again, pine, makes sense. Warm spices, bottom note baked cookies, powdered sugar. So they really are mixing this marshmallow s'mores vibe with like, and that's what it sounds like. It sounds like a s'mores. Y'all better not play with me, bitch. I don't even really like marshmallows like that. No, I don't like it. You know what this smells like? I'm gonna tell you what this smells like. This smells like marshmallow on a stick that was left in the fire and you walked away and you forgot that you had the marshmallow on the stick in the fire and it burned. That's what it smelled like. And then you tried to salvage what was left of the marshmallow. So like you tried to like peel off the outer layer, like, okay, well maybe the inside is still intact, so we can eat that part. That's what it smelled like. No. I give it a 0. One bad one out of 4 that we smelled is not bad, and we have 2 left. Okay, Shimmering Snowflake. I like the fact that like I can't even tell like what this could possibly smell like from the name. Top note is iced mint, black currant. Middle note is frosted strawberry. Base note is whipped vanilla and white musk. I still don't know what the fuck this is supposed to smell like. That's weird. I mean, I guess it makes sense because it's mint. It's peppermint. Like if we're gonna just go with that vibe. Like if you were gonna use this, that's what you would call this. So I guess now it makes sense. I had to smell it. Like if this is smelling like anything, it smelled like peppermint candy. I mean, it's good because it's peppermint and peppermint always smells good to me. I'll give it a 3. Personally, I feel like peppermint is a really safe option if you like don't know what to do for a winter collection or a Christmas holiday collection. But if you're gonna go with peppermint, I would just go with like something very peppermint specific, you know, like I wouldn't do all the craziness like this, like black currant, white musk, and like all the craziness. Like I would just go with something very like directly mint, peppermint, like if you're gonna just go that route. So I probably wouldn't use this. Okay, so we're on the last one. And this is Sugar Plum Blossom. Are blossoms supposed to be like a winter flower, bitch? Top note is black currant, sparkling wine. Well, you won me over with the wine. Middle note is sensual rose. What the fuck is a sensual rose, bitch? Like, how the fuck is a rose sensual and sexy? Okay. Dark berries. Okay. Red apple. Base notes is sandalwood, sugar, and moss. In theory, with all those notes, minus the black currant, this should smell amazing. That's good. I really like this. You know what? It's definitely leaning. It's super fresh. I think that's really what it is, right? It smells very, very fresh to me, and it's sweet. There's a light hint of sweetness in there, so I imagine that's the dark berries I'm smelling, because I don't know what berry I'm smelling. This is very, very good. I really like this a lot. Wow. I would give this a 4. Like I would totally use this. Baby, I would use this in my diffuser. I want to walk in my room and just smell this. This is sensational. And there you guys have it. That was the Winter Wanderlust sampler from the Flaming Candle, featuring 6 of their new winter themed fragrances. Again, it was only featuring 6. There's a whole bunch of new fragrance oils that they released that are winter themed and Christmas themed and holiday themed. So go over to their websites and check out those new fragrances, excluding Nature Walk, because that's not included in the Winter Wanderlust sampler. Out of all 6, I liked 5. So that's really amazing. I think it was just the Marshmallow Pine that I didn't like. That one's just wasn't my thing. But all the other ones I thought smelled really, really good. That was amazing. I really think that these are really good. So check out the sampler, check out the pack. It's amazing. And go check out the other ones, guys. I think I'm definitely vibing really strongly with some of these, and I think I already know which ones definitely is going to be making it in my winter collection, which is technically titled, but I'm not going to be telling you what the title is. So, but I really liked some of these. These were amazing. And now that we have arrived here at the end of this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Go hit that bell notification icon and check me out over on my Instagram page at I'm Will Carter for all things my life as Will Carter. And with that all being said, I hope you guys have a beautiful good morning, a beautiful good afternoon, and a beautiful good night, whichever part of the world you are living in. Goodbye, guys. I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.